Hi friends, today we're going to use our poem to talk about long vowel sounds. Remember we talked about long vowels are when the vowels, which are A, E, I, O, and U, say their name. So instead of sounding like A would sound like A. E, instead of sounding like would sound like E. I, instead of sounding like would sound like I. Hear how they're saying their names? O would sound like O instead of ah, and U would sound like U or oo instead of Okay, so A, E, I, O, oo, or U, or a, e, ah. That's the short vowels. So we're going to focus on the long vowels, because there's a lot of them in this poem. So I'm going to read it to you again, and we're going to listen for them. A kite. I often sit and wish that I could be a kite up in the sky and ride upon the breeze and go whichever way I chance to blow. Now, there are a lot of long vowel sounds in that poem, but I'm going to focus on two. I'm going to focus on kite, using my left hand, and ride. Kite and ride. Okay, I'm going to show you why I focused on those words. I'll write them right up here. Excuse me. Okay, so kite. And ride. Okay, so when we look at kite and ride, we notice that they both have an E at the end. It doesn't seem to make any sound, right? It's not kite or kitey, and it's not ride or ridey, so they are what is called silent. Sometimes we call them sneaky E or bossy E. So the reason why we call them either sneaky E or bossy E is because we say that that silent E that makes no noise here makes the vowel in the word. Let me grab another color for this. Okay, so it makes the vowel in the word. In both cases here, it is I. Okay, but instead of saying the E makes the vowel say its name, so it turns it to a long vowel. So when you read it, you would say kite. You wouldn't say kit, which looks like this. Oh, sorry. Kit. And for ride, when you see that E at the end, you know that this is going to say its name. It's going to say I. So ride, ride. You would not say rid, kit, kite, rid, ride. So that's a little bit about silent E or sneaky E or bossy E. So now try reading this poem a few more times with your family and see if you can hear any other long vowel sounding words. There are a few. And if you do find them, just put them in the comments below. I'd love to see what you find. Okay? Thanks. Talk to you soon.